Hey, I'm Unity Vex, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to join Team Unity. To join Team Unity as a creative warrior, you have to have good edits, flashy clips, and be good overall. Use the hashtag UnityRC. To join as a content creator, you have to make content that people want to watch, and you have to post at least every 2.5 weeks. To join as an editor, you have to show us how good you are at editing. It doesn't matter what software you use, and try and make your edits as good as you can. And there are many other things that you can join as. Just remember, in all of these, you must use the hashtag UnityRC in your videos. And good luck to everyone who tries.
Drive 31, 31.